Today I have another point of view video here from Lisbon, and I went up to a castle here on the topmost point of Lisbon, I think, to get the beautiful sunset. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. We are in a new location now, and we are in Lisbon, and we are back with the trustable 85mm f1.8 from Sony that I always enjoy using while I shoot the street photos. I'm gonna try to stay off like the tourist crowds. Maybe sometimes we'll get there, but we're gonna try to find these small alleyways, and I think we're in a nice location here. Gonna turn off, continue shooting, otherwise I'm just gonna get too much, and actually turn on aperture priority. So we're soon entering in golden hour because I really wanted to photograph the sunset, because we actually have a really nice and clear day today. So hopefully we'll have a really nice sunset. Nice. You can go through. People are so nice when you take photos down here. They always wait for you to finish a shot. Usually. Not everywhere they do that. Over there, see if get some photos from over there. Sunset. So funny. Let's slow here. Probably can't see this because it's too high for you, but you can see the shots now. Beginning to get the glow now. Okay, so I actually had to buy a ticket to get in here, but I think it's gonna be worth it in the end, because the sunset should be safer up here. Let's just go around and explore a bit. Also peacocks here. Oh, this is a nice shot, especially with the bridge in the background. Let's try to focus on that. This is insane. Such a nice evening to go up here. You can even see the clouds just being all the way behind, so we're very lucky. Nice. Let's go a bit more around. So you can capture these two. The eye won't focus. It's so insane. This camera. God, it's so nice right now. Let's get some foreground here.
silhouette shot here again. It's really nice.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy making them myself. And if you did enjoy it, I would really appreciate if you would leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to my channel. I upload videos weekly, usually. So yeah, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.